Hi, my name's Elise and I'm the owner of The Urban Harvest. I've created this channel for people who are looking to vegetable garden here in sunny Florida.
Hi guys, I hope everybody's having a good holiday season here, and I wanted to let you know about somebody that I've actually gotten some seeds from. Their channel is one of my favorite channels. Her name is Elise, and she actually teaches basically how to garden in Florida. So I know a lot of you out there, sometimes struggle with becoming a successful gardener, and Florida is unique because of our weather. So I think this would be a great resource if you want to learn how to do it right and avoid making all the mistakes. Then she offers courses and workshops, and she has her own channel as well, and which I recommend you subscribe to. And she has a lot of resources that I think you can find useful, especially if you're gardening in Florida. Would recommend you check it out and see what she has to offer. So just wanted to pass that along. Her channel is The Urban Harvest, and I'll leave a link below to her website as well, so that you can check it out and see about those classes and workshops and all the things I've been telling you about. Thanks for watching. God bless.